We have a task where we need to predict the percentage of a student's score based on the number of study hours. So this has been done in Python. We basically import all the required libraries. We import the data from a public data set. We do a basic check of the data. We see the data types of the data frame. Then we do any kind of conversion to make it in the same data types. Then we check the number of null percentages of the columns, saw the distribution that it lies within the required ranges, like the scores should be within 0 to 100. Then we did some basic EDA, checked the distribution of the data. We did a log transform on the target variable so that a linear regression model can be applied on it, since it's required for a linear regression. Then check the dependency of the dependent and independent variables, that is the hours and scores. We checked the correlation of the data with a heat map. Then split the data into train test split. Check the data of train test. Did a min-max scalar on the dependent variable. Build the model, found out the R squared of the train set, which is pretty good, 93%. Then found out the slope and coefficient from the model. Did a residual analysis, and it can be seen that the error term is normalized, so the model is good. Then we made a prediction on the test set, did a model evaluation, and the line seems to be pretty good and the values actuals are pretty close by. The R squared value for the test is also pretty good, which is 92%, and for the train it was 93%. And then we converted it back to the original scale, and we can compare the actual and the predicted scores. Thank you.